Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we are reviewing a 27-inch computer monitor. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what you get. Alright, so here's what the ports look like. You have your audio port, DP port, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Let's see if we can get down in here. You got a USB port and DC port. So DC, USB, HDMI, HDMI, DP port, display port, and your audio port as well. Okay, we got a fair amount of accessories here to set up. And first we're going to set up the mounting bracket, but I'll show you guys up close what the ports look like. The mounting bracket is actually pretty easy to set up, so that is a plus. You know, you just go like this and pop it in just like that. So it's very simple. Very easy. Then you press the button if you ever want to take it out. Press the button and pull it back out. So yeah, they make it super easy. So far, I'm very impressed with this brand and with the quality. But overall, as you guys can see, very nice. Take a look at this. Take a look at this, my friends. How you can adjust this. Like, is that not incredible? The adjustment angle of this. And of course, you have your tilting. Look how much you can tilt this. You can lift it and lower it. Like, look how high you can go. I mean, we're talking a lot of clearance. And look how low you can go. I'm very impressed with the accessory and everything so far. But we definitely got to test it out now. So guys, your on and off buttons for the monitor and everything is on the back here. It's on the back side. You don't have to tilt it, but you can reach around back to turn it on. And there we go. Oh my word. I can't wait to test this out, my friends. On the back here, you can also set up crosshair, which shows you the center of the screen. That way, for any shooting games, you actually have a leg up because you can see the center of the screen. That's pretty crazy. Let's go ahead and see here. Oh, you can change the color. You got movie, photo, standard, RTS. Ooh, that is nice. RTS, frames per second, game, movie, photo. Oh, I love RTS. That is nice. So we're going to go ahead and turn off some lights here. That way you guys can see this better. Can you guys see? Maybe not. Let me get a camera set up better. Okay. Let's go ahead and test all this out now. I'm also playing with some settings here. I'm going to adjust the volume. We're going to turn the volume up max. We actually might need to adjust the yeah, we're going to adjust the setting. I think the color that we selected changed the quality of the game, as we can see here. So I'm going to go ahead and okay, let me see here. So this is one game. Now there's tons of different stuff that we're going to be testing this out, not just this game here. It's pretty cool. Definitely pretty awesome. Volume seems pretty good. This is pretty cool, guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and see here. Let's test out. We're going to test out a couple different style games. That way we know. So this is PS1 that we're trying out on here. The volume does seem to be pretty good. I like that it has an audio jack, so you could add some speakers if you wanted to. Let's see here. Let's go with standard color. Well, I'm getting destroyed here. Alright, so that is a different style game. Let's go ahead and take a look at some other style games here. But the screen is crisp and clear, so it's only the quality that you guys see is based off of the systems that we're using. So this is, you know, if we go ahead and we upgrade it to Game Boy Advance, we can go ahead and see a higher quality games here. But the monitor is beautiful, the color is great, and everything is excellent about it. I have no complaints whatsoever about it. The audio is a little quiet, but you can change that.